Welcome back to Smart Tool Group. My name's Sam, and today we're going to take a look at one of the oldest blades in our range, the 32mm coarse tooth blade. This blade is suitable for cutting timber, plastics, and even chipboard. Let's take a look at what it can do. So as you just saw, this blade made quick work of cutting into the timber. It's also available in a 63mm wide option for larger cuts. Watch out you don't hit any nails with these ones, as they won't cut through them. Thank you for watching, and check back in for more videos.